Welcome to Filipina Ajuma channel. So I am in the kitchen again and I'm going to cook beef radish soup or sogogimu국. Okay? So, umpisa na tayo. So here are the simple ingredients if you're going to cook simple Korean beef radish soup. So kailangan mo lang ng white onion, garlic, scallion, radish, and the beef. So, umpisa na tayo. Tadaan! So, kailangan mo lang mag-prepare or i-cut yung beef, garlic, onion, scallion, and radish into these. So, bite-size siya. Then, you just have to put it on the pot. So, in the pot, just put it all together. Just put it like this. Mix it all together. And pour some water. So, mas prefer ko maglagay ng rice water. Just put 2 liters of water. Then, turn on the heat. Uy, mali pala. Just medium heat. Okay, medium heat, boil it for 2 hours. I forgot to put some pepper. Okay, add nyo na yung patis. Depende kung gaano kaalat ang gusto nyong gawin. Oops. Puro 1 tablespoon na. Tadaan! And we're done. This is the beef radish soup. Enjoy it with kimchi and hot rice with the rainy weather. Thank you for watching. There's a rainbow in front of our apartment. Wow.